I used to smoke when I was in my 20s, but I don't smoke now. I stopped smoking. I stopped to smoke. Wait, I stopped smoking. No, I stopped to smoke. It's coffee break time. I stopped drinking coffee. I stopped to drink coffee. Stopped drinking coffee? Stopped to drink coffee? Stopped to smoke? Stopped smoking? Let's study together. Welcome to this English grammar lesson. I'm Michael from Happy English, and I'm so glad that you've decided to join me today to study English. Today, we're going to look at the difference between I stopped smoking and I stopped to smoke. These are two tricky grammar patterns that are often confused by a lot of English learners. But don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you're going to understand how you can use both patterns. Let's check it out. Generally speaking, one verb can be followed by another verb, and that second verb could be a to verb. Now, we call that the infinitive, or it could be the ing verb, and we call that the gerund. For example, I can say, I like eating pizza, or I like to eat pizza. So, like to eat and like eating have the same meaning and the same usage. And there are a lot of verbs that have that pattern where either one that you choose would have the same meaning and the same use. Stop is a different case altogether, and that's what I'm going to focus on next. When you use stop followed by the ing, it means to finish or quit. Let me give you a couple of examples. I stopped smoking when I was in my 20s. I stopped smoking. I stopped smoking means I quit doing that. Recently, my doctor told me that I should stop drinking coffee. That's not going to happen. Stop drinking coffee. Stop drinking coffee means to quit drinking coffee, to quit that habit, or to stop the habit of drinking coffee. But I did say that stop followed by an ing also means to finish, right? Here are some examples. I stopped working last night at 8 p.m. I stopped working. It means I finished working. My buddy Joe stopped playing Xbox after 10 hours. He stopped playing after 10 hours. It means he finished playing. For 10 hours? On the other hand, when you use stop followed by the to verb, the infinitive, it has the meaning of take a break in order to do something. Here are some examples. She stopped to smoke. She stopped to smoke means she was doing something and then she took a break because she wanted to smoke. She stopped to smoke. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I stopped to drink coffee. I stopped to drink coffee means I took a break from what I was doing because I wanted to drink coffee. I stopped to drink coffee. This morning in the office, I stopped to call my mom. I stopped to call my mom. It means I was working, I took a break from working, and then I called my mom. I stopped to call my mom. Let's review. If you say Jack stopped smoking, it means he had the habit of smoking, but he quit doing that. If you say that Jack stopped to smoke, it means Jack was doing something and then he took a break, he stopped, in order to smoke. So that's the difference between stop followed by the ing, and stop followed by a to verb. Keep in mind, the best way to remember this grammar or any grammar or vocabulary is take the word or phrase, write a couple of sentences that are true for you or true in your world, and then memorize your sentences. Do you know anyone who has stopped smoking or stopped drinking coffee? What time did you stop studying or stop working yesterday? These are some ideas to help you build your original sentences with this vocabulary. And then why not take those sentences and drop them in the comments below? I would love to see your examples. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your examples below, and I'll catch you next time right here at Happy English.